Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a couple of cards, about 4, using the Ephemera Packs. The Something for Everything Ephemera Pack, Labels and Layers, Fully Flowering, and this one is Saying Something Ephemera Pack. So we're going to be using all 4 of these Ephemera Packs on our cards today. But before we get started, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. Let's start with our paper pumpkin, the Painted Petals Paper Pumpkin Kit for July. You have until the 10th of July to subscribe to get this particular kit that makes 9 cards and comes with the gray granite stamping spot. We also have the Every Celebration Dies add-on, which coordinates with July, August, and September. The item number is 164991. It is $12 while supplies last. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. Stampwithshana@gmail.com is where you need to send your email to if you are interested. Next up, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. Lastly, we have our sale going on until the end of June, where you can purchase bundles, a stamp set and a die bundle, and get an extra 10% off, as well as 10% off on our Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine, the minis as well as the regular size Stampin' and Emboss machine. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on these projects quickly because we have a lot to do. These are going to be real quick and simple projects. So on the first one, we're going to be using the Wildly Flowering Designer Series paper. I've cut mine down to 4x6. This does come 12x12. I have a card base here of, what is this, Azure Afternoon, 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. I've gone ahead and did the inside, just some little decoration, okay? So we're going to be using this sheet from the Designer Series paper, and we're going to glue this down. I love this side, but it did not suit my project needs today. So we're going to be using the opposite side. And then the rest of the things come from the Ephemera Packs. So this one comes from the labels, and these 2 come from the flowering, and this one comes from the Say Something. So we're going to go ahead and glue these items down to our card front. I'm putting it a little lower than center. Then I'm going to glue this down. I think I want to put it about right there. We're going to glue this down about right here, like that. I think I need to turn it just a bit more. Yeah. Then I have gone ahead and put dimensionals on the back of this sentiment. And we're just going to pop this up. Oh, come on. Right here. Like this. And it just says thanks. Nice and simple. And I have some of the adhesive back textured dots. I don't know why I can't never figure out how to open these things. And we're going to embellish our card with some of these. Let me get my Take Your Pick tool. These have a couple of different sizes. Let's put one there. Get us a small one. Put one there. And one up here. Okay? And that is our first card done. Isn't that cute? Real simple, no stamping. Okay? So let's move on to the next card. The next one, we are going to be using some products from, what is this called? the Unbounded Beauty Memories and More card pack. It doesn't come in this case. I just put my card pack in a case once I open it. So we have here a Berry Burst card base of 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5. I've already gone ahead and put my inside piece in. And we're going to take this from the card pack and we're going to glue this down. The inside is a 3.5 by 4 3/4 piece of white, basic white. And just some strips of, when I cut this card, it was 4 by 6 and I cut it down to 4 1/4 by 4 by 5 1/4. I had some strips left and that's what I used right here. Okay, so this is about a 1/2 inch by 2, and I just made this a little bit larger. So we're gonna glue this sentiment that I got from the Say Something or Saying Something Ephemera Pack. I can't remember the names of these things. All the supplies will be listed on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com. So if you're wondering about anything that I'm using, you can just go there to get the supply list. So we're going to add some Stampin' Dimensionals to our sentiment label here. Oh, I need one more. I want to put one more in the middle there. We're going to add this to our card. And I was going to do it this way, but I think I like it this way. So instead of vertical, I'm doing it horizontal. And I want to get it, try to get it straight there. And then for this card, I'm going to be using the In Color Shimmer Gems, the 2024 to 26 In Color Shimmer Gems. And this is, I have 2 packs in here, so, well, 1.5 packs. So let's go ahead and use some of these. I'm going to use one of the, what is it, Peach Pie. Give me some of this, I think that's the Shy Shamrock. And let's do a Petunia Pop. Okay, and that is that card done. Isn't it cute? No stamping. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Now the next one, we're not going to be using any ephemera. We're going to just be using items from this Unbounded Beauty Memories and More. And I have a lot of items, so let's see here. So I have a card base already done up at 4 1/4 by 5.5, 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5. And we are going to layer, this is the Memories and More card pack piece that I cut down to 5 by 3 3/4. So let's go ahead and glue this down. We're going to glue that on here. This is a basic white that is 5 1/4 by 4. We're going to put that there. Then I have a piece of Berry Burst. Let me get my ruler here because I forgot to measure this. I think it's 1 inch. Whoop. Yes, 1 inch. And we're just going to put it on here at an angle and cut off any extra. So I really, it's a little longer, probably 5.5 or 5 3/4, something like that. But I'm just gonna put that on there like this, just any random way. And I'm gonna trim off the extra here. Okay. Then we have our piece from the Memories and More card pack. I've already put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. This side is so gorgeous, but I needed thank you card. So we are going to, this is the back of this piece. We are going to glue this onto this piece right here. I want this at the top, just to give it a little decoration up here. just like that. We're gonna cut that. I thought I had another piece. Huh. That's strange. Okay, well, I thought I had 2 pieces of this, so maybe I lost a piece. Did I put it on the inside? Oh, I put it on the inside. Okay, so we're just gonna have it like that. So this piece and this piece, we're gonna layer together. And we're gonna put this on here. And we're gonna angle this. Do I want it that way or that way? I think I want it this way. We're gonna angle that on there. And Buzzz, go ahead and put this onto our card base. Just like that. And then we're gonna add this with this using the Stampin' Dimensional. So let me remove the backings. Okay, I got the backings off of that. And we're gonna try to get this on here a little straight. Did I tell you this is Summer Splash? And this is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. I'm gonna put that down like that. Let's get back those in color shimmer gems, and we're gonna add some on here. So. I think I'm gonna use this Summer Splash. Is that Summer Splash? Oh no, it's not. That's not Summer Splash. That was the Shy Shamrock. And we're gonna get one more. And I'll just put that one right there. And that card is done. Isn't that cute? Just a simple thank you card. Okay, so let's move on to the last card. The last one is more involved. So we're gonna be using the Spotlight on Nature dies. Well, I've used this already. I'm just gonna be putting it together. And we're also gonna be using the Country Woods Designer Series paper, okay? So I have a card base here of Shy Shamrock, 4 1/2 by 8 1/2. 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Oh my goodness. Inside is done. This is just a little piece of the Designer Series paper there. So I have a strip here of 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. And we're gonna put this onto our card base. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna have to clean my mat again. And then this piece of Designer Series paper is 3, I can't see, by 4, 3 by 4. Okay. And we're gonna add this on and try not to drop it. I think I want to do it this way. And I'm gonna put it about right, try to get it the same distance from the edge over here and at the top and the bottom. Okay, then I cut out a circle using these dies in basic black. Then I glued that down to some basic white and just cut it out because I wanted to have the white inside of the little flower things there. So we're just gonna glue this down to our card base about right here, like that. And then I have a frame from the Something for Everything. I used the frame from this right here, this particular frame, if I can pick it up. And we're gonna glue that down. So that one frame has, I think, 3 little pieces in it. Because there was the inside here had another frame, and then inside of that frame was a sailboat. So we're gonna just put this in the middle of our circle, if I can talk. Then I got 2 leaves, and these came from, not leaves, these are feathers. These came from, oh, the same pack, the something for everything. So we are going to put this down. I think I'm gonna put one right here like this. And this one we're gonna put going about right there like that. Then I have the word thanks from the saying something ephemera pack. Now this, ooh, I'm gonna have to put dots of glue on here. Now this is all white, but if you want it to be color, you can sponge some color or sponge daub some color or use a marker to color it. You just have to be very careful because you know it's delicate. We're gonna put this about right here. It says thanks. Then I have a little birdie from the same ephemera pack, and we're going to pop this up with dimensionals. And I say same ephemera pack is the frame and the feathers. We're gonna add our little bird. Ooh, you don't want him hanging off the card. We're gonna put him right there, like that. Okay, and then we're going to add some of these embellishments. What are they called again? The textured dot, adhesive back textured dots. Ooh. I'll put one there. Maybe one right here. I don't know. I don't know where I should put it. I feel like I want it right here by the bird. And that is that card done. Isn't that cute? Okay, so these are our cards for today. Let me get them. 4 quick and simple cards, really easy. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.